All right, I'm back with another hieroglyph. So what is this one and how did the ancient Egyptians use it? That's what we'll get into in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what is this hieroglyph? It's the head and neck, a really long looking neck, kind of like a stick, of some kind of canid, perhaps a jackal. And so how was it used? Well, it was used in a few different words, although not a whole lot of words in Egyptian. It represents the sounds for WSR, which in modern times we pronounce either as Wesser or User. Since the W, which I talked about earlier this week, is more of a W sound, but sometimes we use it in modern times like an U sound as well. So some people will pronounce it User, some Wesser. So this is used most commonly in the word that means power or powerful, which is just Wesser or Utser if you prefer that pronunciation. So this shows up, of course, in terms of describing gods and people and all that. And it also can show up in names, particularly names that we call in Egyptology, we call them theophoric names. That is basically names that talk about gods in them. So one name, for example, would be Montu Woser, which means the god Montu is powerful. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.